A report on economic social status of women. Following is a report of Bhavnagar city women in the special reference to their economic and social status. Okay, so first we see who is writing this report and to whom. Okay, because it is an individual report, so the person writes a report to some special agency or another person, the person in at high level post. Okay, Mrs. D. N. Trivedi, member, Gujarat Women Welfare Association, Ahmedabad. Okay, she writes the letter. She writes a report to the Minister, Women and Children Welfare Ministry, Gujarat State, Gandhinagar. So first we see the example, then you can come to know what is individual report. Subject: economic and social status of women. Respected madam, it was a great joy to see plenty of Bhavnagari women. Okay, so you can use here women of Bhavnagar. I became a part of their pain and pleasure. My finding has shown that even after independence, though 50 years past, the condition of women have not changed drastically. Kindly find this report in reference to your order number welfare. The number is this and dated which when the report was published. Okay, so this person, this lady is writing a report to the Minister of Women and Children Welfare Ministry. Okay, because the report has come from Women and Children Welfare Ministry earlier, so it is a respond, in a way a respond. Okay, and here it discusses about the status of women, economic as well as social. Okay, because we know that women are very much suppressed in this patriarchal society. So, is there any change in their situation, in their condition? Let us see. Economic status: Bhavnagar city is having a population of 8 lakhs. Okay, the ratio of women is 43%. The economic condition is shocking. Only 12% out of them have good financial condition. They are serving and employed women in business. No doubt 21% women are working in government, semi-government offices, but they are not financially well. Surprisingly, most of them are teachers and others are serving in the banks, LIC offices and other places. Okay, so it is about it is a survey kind of thing that who works where when we talk about women. Okay, so most of them are teachers, some are in government or semi government, some are in private sectors. Okay, but they are not financially eligible. Okay, who works in private types of company. Okay, I made a survey by the following categories: women earning below 5,000 a month, first. Second is salary a month 5,000 to 10,000. Okay, then another is more than 10,000. Okay, so there are 3 category which is considered in this survey. Many women are working hard, but tragedy is they are not employed regularly. They are given THEY. They are given daily wages. It is difficult even to earn livelihood. More surprisingly, many women are forced to work willingly or unwillingly. Poverty is ruining the women. Okay, so here it is pathetic condition of women. It also happens that when women are earning so at somewhere, so they don't provide much salary to women than men. Okay, because their gender is women. Social status: it is also horrible. They have education, knowledge, but are backward. Okay, it may happen that you are educated, but you are backward because your rules, your regulations of the society don't allow you to go far. Okay, then you are educated, but you are backward. They have been forced to remain backward. Okay, the family is at the center. Most of the families do not allow women to go outside for the work or for anything. They are considered as weak. They are not asked for any guidance or decisions. Okay, suppose there is a family, but what happens? The head of the family, it can be father, it can be grandfather. They asked when it is a time to discuss on high level issues at family, but most probably women are not asked for decisions, for any kind of opinions. So it happens in society where it is patriarchy. They are not even secondary superstitions, as well traditions have not given the women chances to grow. In such a condition, anyone can guess what she could be outside the home. Most of the fields are occupied and dominated by men. Few women have come out and established themselves. The education has become a key for the change. Okay, that is the right thing. કે કોઈ એક વસ્તુ છે જે આખા સોસાયટીને બદલી શકે છે, તો that is education. They have started taking education and have become employees. Some of them have become professionals, but still lots of things are to be done. Okay, economic poor background has led to social backward position. Recommendations: make primary education compulsory. Okay, so that is in government schools right now. Strengthen women empowerment act. Okay, કે women empowerment માટે act પહેલેથી બનાવેલા જ, પણ એને strong બનાવો. Okay, ask to observe women rights to the society. Severe punishment must be given to the guilty. Vocational training centers should be opened for women only. The government should bring various schemes for their upliftment. Still, the government has to do a lot of works. The NGOs can help. NGOs help can be taken. I hope the government will go in this direction. Thank you very much for giving me this kind of work. Truly yours, D.N. Trivedi. Okay, so it was a report, but you can see it has some characteristics of letter. Okay, individual person is writing a report on a particular thing. Okay, on a particular matter. Okay, it is not on what is happened, but it can be your own observation regarding that matter. Okay, you can put a survey કે કેટલા લોકો અહીંયા રહે છે, કેટલા લોકો આમાં રહે છે. અહીંયા જેમ બતાવવામાં આવ્યું છે કે 3 કેટેગરી પાડવામાં આવી, કે 5000 કેટલી વિમેન કમાય છે, 10,000 કેટલી કમાય છે, 15,000થી વધારે કેટલા કમાય છે. ઓકે, સો ઇન અ વે યુ કેન પુટ ધીસ એન્ડ ઇટ કેન હેલ્પ ટુ નો ધ સિચ્યુએશન. ઓકે, કે ગ્રાઉન્ડ લેવલ ઉપર સિચ્યુએશન શું છે એ ઉપર લોકોને જાણવી હોય તો આવા બધા રિપોર્ટ્સથી જાણી શકે છે. યુ માઇટ હેવ હર્ડ અબાઉટ survey. Okay, survey report. So what is survey report? Once first you do a survey, then you make a report on the basis of survey. So it is an individual report. There are many types of individual report. You can write a leave report. Okay, so that we will deal in another lecture.